Well, it's time now for business, and we begin as ever by taking a look at how things closed up on the US markets. All indices finishing up in positive territory on Thursday. The Dow Jones up over 0.4%, the S&P 500 up 0.3%, the Nasdaq up just over 0.2%, as you can see there. As for Asia, the Shanghai Composite is still closed, but significantly more positive movement on the other indices today after a few difficult days, with the region, of course, grappling with the economic impact of the coronavirus. The Nikkei trading up just over 1%, the Hang Seng just up just over 0.2%. The Kospi, however, trading slightly in negative territory, as you can see there. Now, experts are pointing the finger at Brexit after output from the UK's car industry fell to its lowest level in almost a decade. The EU remains the sector's most important market, but exports to the bloc fell by over 11% last year. Caris Garland takes a look.
Brexit uncertainty is steering British automakers downhill, with production dropping 14.2% in 2019 from the previous year. The announcement was made just one day before the UK quits the EU, leaving manufacturers hoping for a steadier post-Brexit ride.
We've seen new car sales decline over 3 years, but the uncertainty has most significantly caused investors to sort of pause, to wait and see, to sit on their hands rather than continuing to invest in what is a very competitive industry.
Temporary factory shutdowns prompted by last year's Brexit delays were said to have a significant impact, as well as a push away from diesel vehicles and slower demand from overseas. With the British auto industry bringing roughly £18.6 billion to the local economy, experts say the UK must renew global competitiveness.
The UK automotive industry offers tremendous value to the UK economy in terms of exports, in terms of employment, in terms of contribution to the exchequer, high value jobs, a lot of innovation, especially in areas that they want to level up. Hence, we're an industry that should be at the forefront of the trade negotiations.
4 out of 5 UK-made cars are exported, with half going to the EU. With this in mind, British auto manufacturers will be looking for a deal with Brussels that safeguards their future.